Hello viewers, and welcome to Smart Racer channel.
Has your smart Roadster suddenly decided to judge you with a tiny wrench icon? Yeah, same here. But today, we're fighting back. It's time to reset that service reminder like a pro, or at least pretend we know what we're doing. First, switch on the ignition, but don't start the engine. We're not going anywhere. Now double tap that center button like you're trying to refresh your love life. You should see the service interval pop up. If not, repeat the process. Service interval is displayed as a small wrench. Step 2, switch off the ignition. Service interval should remain at the display. Step 3, press and hold the central button. Switch on ignition. It is obvious that you need 2 hands for this procedure. Keep holding central button and the display will flash, and the new service interval will display. You will also note that the number of wrench will change from 1 to 2, or vice versa, indicating an A or B service. Now, question could be, what is the meaning of that number? Well, it can be number showing days until your service. If there is a minus before the number, your service is overdue. It can also show kilometers countdown. In fact, it depends how much you are driving your car. If you drive more than 10,000 kilometers a year, you'll get the kilometers countdown. If you do less over the year, you'll get a day countdown. I hope you found this video useful. Until next one, drive safe and have fun.